This is the Captain Zupa, straight from the Soviet Republic of Poland. Witajcie w Katowicach, welcome to Katowice. It's an awesome city, free public toilets, hot wine. Katowice is located in South Poland. It is a center of the Silesian metropolis, which is inhabited by roughly 2 million people. Katowice itself has a size of only 300,000 people, which is similar to the size of English Brighton or Villarhermosa in Mexico. And if you still don't have the faintest what the size of the town is, think of Shinoju in North Korea. I'll briefly mention about Katowice's airport, which is called Katowice-Pyżowice. It's hard to believe, but 20 years ago there was no even a public transport connecting Katowice with its airport. Now they are building new rail track to connect Katowice with the airport. The airport had more than 6 million passengers per year. Of course, I'm talking about the pre-COVID times here. Katowice-Pyżowice is the airport of my choice. Great location between two biggest highways in Poland makes it easy to access. I will show you something interesting. When you come into the airport, your temperature is being checked without you knowing about it. There is a special device. Come and follow me. We came to the city to visit my grandma and grandpa. Unfortunately, we had to stay outside their balcony. We didn't want to risk to pass them anything they didn't need. I also visited my brother, who runs a law office in the city center. My both parents come from Katowice. I wasn't born there, but that's another story. Subscribe my channel to hear about it in another vlog. But I lived in Katowice and know Katowice very well, so I'm talking from experience here. Katowice is the center of the coal mining industry. There's a lot of coal mines located around Katowice in the area. With so much coal and industry around it, you have to imagine that the landscape was a moonscape. But now the landscape offers views from A to Z. Despite only few coal mines being open and running, Katowice is still the center of finance, education and cultural life in Upper Silesia. Katowice is not an old city like neighboring Krakow. The city was still a small village in the 17th century. When Industrial Revolution came and the demand for coal began, the town started to grow. The whole local culture, folklore, is connected to the urban life of coal miners. What you are seeing now is the main train station in Katowice. This is a major transportation hub in Upper Silesia. What is left from the old station, which was notorious by the way, are the Gypsy people wandering and begging around the platforms. And this is another reason why I love Katowice.
Podjeść wesołe świężycze albo coś pieniążków. Niech pani nie.
Silesia, region where Katowice is located, was parted from Poland for around 600 years and was a part of Prussia, Austro-Hungary or Czech Republic. Therefore, the culture here differs from culture in other parts of Poland. The 600 years within borders of the other country left its mark on the language, cuisine, music and folklore. Come to Katowice to explore it. Katowice resembles me of Scottish Glasgow, industrial city that has been transformed from being polluted and ugly to be clean, green and people friendly. I think that slogan from Glasgow, "People make Glasgow," could be easily used in Katowice. People make Katowice. Why do I love Katowice? Katowice is a very vibrant city with lively nightlife, great spectrum of museums, theaters, even an outstanding opera. Silesian people are a friendly lot and will not disappoint you. There is a lot of German and Czech Republic influence in Silesian culture. We love to eat rolled meat, red cabbage and Silesian dumplings. Yeah, you can drink publicly here. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to everybody. A lot.